You know, we're here at Heritage Fest and kind of hungry. We haven't had lunch yet, so I want to show you something. How's it going, Chronicles crew? Well, welcome back to our channel. For those that are new, we are a family travel vlog. We like to go to different places, give you little tips, and show where you and your family can go to. All right, it's postcard time for our Patreons. Look at this, Chip happens. We're going to the post office. So this is for our Patreons. We love to interact with our fans. Kristen is our winner of our giveaway for guessing the right how far I was gonna throw. How's it going, Chronicles crew? Today we are at Heritage Fest. Today you will get Carl the Mystifier. I'm the magician here for Heritage Fest, so can't wait to entertain everybody. So let's go.
Hi, I'm Kim Tibbetts. I help organize Heritage Fest for the Village of West Dundee. This is our 22nd year of Heritage Fest, so we've had a lot of things that have happened over the years, but some of those things that people love a lot. We got a car show, we got a craft fair with like 100 or so vendors, we've got businesses out there, a lot of bands all day, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So come up here for a little bit of kids stuff and some quiet time, and then go downtown and check out all of the bands. They're nice and loud, they're real exciting and fun. We go today until 5 o'clock, but every year we do this for 3 days. So come back mid-September every year, we'll be doing it again.
All right, actually just me and Addison today because the baby is sick, so we're a little smaller crew today. That looks good. So West Dundee is a place that I kind of grew up in. So I've been doing Heritage Fest maybe almost 10 years, I think. And I love performing magic over there. For those that didn't know, I did magic. I did start doing magic when I was in grad school, doing it for my classmates. So I'm trying to be a real MMA fighter, just like my boy Renee over here. Let's go!
Coach Mango, we own this. We do all types of mixed martial arts and boxing with a high emphasis on learning to defend yourself in our school. So we love to have you come out and give it a shot, and you'll find yourself feeling a lot more confident and learning to defend yourself, and you're going to feel great about everything.
Look what I saw. Somebody else with a spam shirt. So they love the weird place like us. They have gone to places I have not gone to.
We had a picnic in the shadow of the largest ball of twine in Kansas.
You got to see the Enchanted Highway near Regent, North Dakota. That one's great. It's a bunch of sculptures. That one's cool.
Look it up.
You got to go to Casa Bonita.
All right, well, thank you very much, and I appreciate you guys checking it out, and thank you for subscribing. Yeah. Bye, guys. Look at all these classic cars that's here.
Okay guys, we're gonna go to Around the Corner Candy. I love this place because they have so many different types of candies and they are so good.
Hey, it's my friends. How you doing, guys?
Good, how are you?
We're here to get some candy.
Yeah.
Want to say hi to YouTube land?
Hi.
Santos Chronicles. All right.
Subscribe.
All right, I like her. We're gonna go check out the candy store ourselves.
Yeah.
How's it going?
Oh my gosh. We meet again.
We meet again. You guys are awesome. You guys are my favorite. I like you guys.
My favorite.
All right.
These are really good. It was life-changing.
Life-changing. I'm glad. This place is Addison's favorite. We love these throwback candy. I know you saw us at the Albanese before, but check these things out. I don't even know what a Mallow Cup is.
It is chocolate with marshmallow. It's like liquidy, fun marshmallow.
Okay, you sold me. What you got, Addison?
Candy corn. These Tower Belts. ring pop and card patty.
Ooh, I told Bex from Life with Kids and Cats that I get her some candy corn. So let's see if I can get her some from here.
Pound of them?
Pound of them. All right, Bex, that's for you. That's for our UK people. So could you actually take this and sign? Could you show everybody?
Put my initials on there?
Yeah, and then show YouTube land, what it is. So now that's your 20, right? So what I want you to do is actually roll this up like this. So again, as I showed you earlier, nothing on my hands. So can I get Bill? Okay, so I take this, and could you please hold on to it right here? Got it? I'm gonna need your help. Can you hold this? All right, stand right here. So we go 1. One. Okay. 2, 3. Get reach. Too short. Oh, look what happened. You've been holding this the whole time, right? Did you give that to me? Again, I'm gonna open this up, and what's in here is actually a lemon.
Well,
Could you take this? Could you take the knife? And could you actually cut the lemon, but not my hand? I need that for my YouTube. Yeah, for editing. Slowly. Wait, a little bit more. Just a little bit more. That's pretty good. That's good. All I'm gonna do is actually open it up. And if you look in here, there's something inside. Could you actually
Money!
pull
There's
that
money!
out?
It's money!
Give me the knife. And then what I want you to do is unroll it and take a look to see, is that your bill?
It is.
I hope you guys enjoyed the show. Carl the Mystifier. If you need a magician, I got some cards for you. Thank you very much. All right, I think we did a bunch of all we could here today. Kind of tired now, but we're heading back. It was really fun to be able to do a magic show.
Make sure to like and subscribe.